Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video, and today we have a review of the Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse. Personally, I do like mice that don't have a lot of LEDs, but still have all the features and precision of any other gaming mouse, while still being wireless and not breaking the bank. That was when I stumbled upon probably my favorite mouse ever, the Logitech G602. Starting off with the packaging. Once we open the box, we find the mouse itself, the nano receiver, the extension cord to attach the nano receiver closer to the mouse if needed, as well as a manual. Now, the unboxing wasn't really anything special, just the basics. Now, the design of the mouse itself. Right off the bat, I saw that the shape of the mouse was perfect for my hand in particular, with the right click button being a bit bigger due to my middle finger being longer than my index, as well as the little rest place for my thumb to rest as I use the mouse. For me, that seems like a bonus feature. There are a total of 11 buttons on the mouse, which make it quite easy to program them to do whatever you want. This mouse design is meant to be an all-around all-star, checking off all the boxes of a good overall mouse that can attract the attention of multiple different consumers. Now, the G602 has a DPI range between 250 and 2500. Despite this being a bit low for a gaming mouse. This may drive certain hardcore gamers away from this mouse, but don't let that fool you. This mouse can still perfectly be used for gaming if you aren't extremely hardcore, as well as other tasks. The mouse runs on 2 AA batteries, which amount to around 250 hours. But the Logitech G602 has a performance mode, in which you can get around 1,200 hours. When using this mode, it does reduce accuracy, but you gain more battery life. Now, my overall experience with this mouse so far is that it has been really a pleasure using it because of how comfortable the mouse is and how versatile it is with all of its buttons that can be programmed, as well as the fact that it can be used for multiple things: gaming, editing, and casual web browsing. Now, the pros and cons of this mouse. Starting off with the pros. It is very comfortable and can be used for a long period of time, as well as it has a very large battery life when put on performance mode. Now, some of the cons of this mouse are that it isn't rechargeable, so you're going to have to replace the batteries after a while, as well as the DPI sensor may not appeal to everyone due to it being a little bit lower than what gamers would like. In conclusion, I can definitely say that if this mouse were to be on sale, you should definitely buy it because it can be used for everything. Overall, if you need a mouse to do your work, game, or anything, this is the mouse for you. Thanks for watching. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. This is TechBarn, and I'll see you in my next video.